Okay, now modification number one. We take that access panel that's screwed into place, and I told you I wanted to make that into a little door. So we're going to build the door frame right now. And we're just going to use this board here, 3/4 inch by 8. And so we're going to cut, this will be the stiles, horizontal, the vertical pieces. And then this will be the panel. We'll resaw this one down to 1/4 inch thick for the panels, because we're going to make the door a raised panel door. So I don't know how much you want to watch, but I'm just going to cut this down. I don't think you need to watch that. I'll show you as I put it together after I cut everything. Alright, we're working on our modified door for the cabinet, utilizing the stop again. So what I wanted to show was how that stop works so well with making everything exactly the same. It is handy. But like I said, on a regular fence you can make your own extension and just use a clamp and a piece of wood to do the same thing. So now what we've got is the frame. For that door. So what I'm going to do is, for those of you who have been watching me before, these are the pieces from my daughter's headboard that I messed up. They were the vertical separators for the book area, or the shelf area, that I messed up on. So I can reuse them because they're going to fit just like so. I'll slice this down the middle, and that'll be my panel for the raised panel. So I'll pocket joint these together. We'll route in a channel all the way around that again, and then we'll put that in place. We'll be good to go. Okay, so like before, oops, I got my pocket holes cut, and now I want to transfer, because I need to put in, I need to route in a channel in the middle of this for the panel. So like I told you before, with the pocket screws going in this direction, I don't want to have I don't want to route a channel here for the screws, because you lose too much wood that way. So what I do here is take this guy, put a mark here, and then move the mark around, because I'll be routing this side here. So we'll put X's because that's where I want to route. this point here is where I don't want to. I want this to be solid wood from here down. So I'm marking it on the top, so when I'm routing, because I'll route this end here, I'll have my marks. Make sense? Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these all the way around, and then we'll set up into router mode. Cut these in. Oh, well, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. Before I do that, since I'm already set up here, this is about the Shopsmith. Try to plan your workout right. Instead of going through all that, I need to resaw this board, because this board is going to be the panel. I might as well resaw this now while I've got the Shopsmith set up in this mode here. It'll be easier to mount the bandsaw. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and resaw this down. Alright, we're going to set up for 1/4 inch to do that groove. I think that's it. So take the new toy, zero it out. Okay, this is a 1/4 inch setup bar. I just find it a lot faster to use that. Okay. So the eyes don't work so well, so this helps me get this done a lot faster that way. And now I can just set this guy right up on top here and bring the bit right up until it touches. That's just, oops, I found it just to be a lot faster. Just like that, and I've got a 1/4 inch.